Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bangalore, and it is from Karnataka. Coming to the job roles, first one, associate is required for PwC acceleration centers, and education will be any degree, and PwC professional skills and responsibilities for this management level include but are not limited to as an associate, and you will work as part of a team and problem solvers, helping to solve complex business issues from strategy to execution, and invite and give in the moment feedback in a constructive manner, share and collaborate effectively with others, and identify and make suggestions for improvements when problems and or opportunities arise, handle, manipulate and analyze data and information responsibly, follow risk management and compliance procedures, keep up to date with developments in area of specialism, communicate confidently in a clear, concise and articulate manner and verbally and in the materials they produce, build and maintain an internal and external network, and seek opportunities to learn about how PwC works as a global network of firms, and uphold the firm's code of ethics and business conduct. And these are the responsibilities, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Zero Nine Solutions, and they are looking for data operations specialist. Coming to the job responsibilities, their responsibilities include daily management of data for the education services department and communication with internal stakeholders, creation of weekly or monthly quality dashboard for data representation, ensuring data repository is maintained and rightly captured, ensure prompt, timely and accurate response to queries coming in pertaining to data shared, and proactively keep the supervisor informed for any concerns or opportunities, quickly learn job specific software, and all other responsibilities are assigned. Coming to the job requirements, proficient in MS Excel and world knowledge and not limited to macro, and VB skills are required, that is coding, and very good command of English both in verbal and written, and minimum 1 year plus experience in similar role, and analytic and critical thinking skills are required, and has attitude to decide the order in which the task must be performed, and follows prescribed standard practices that are readily understood, and may gather information to help arrive at an appropriate solution. And coming to the minimum work experience, 1 year plus experience is required, and coming to the minimum qualifications, it would be graduation in any stream, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Plato Labs. They are looking for growth specialist. Coming to the job role, the role will directly report to the CEO to plan and execute various growth initiatives. And coming to the job description, to define and keep track of key metrics across the customer journey, and identify newer marketing or growth channels and take ownership to deploy them, and monitor customer funnel and identify new levels of growth, and identify opportunities to improve customer experience and work with the respective teams to implement them. And coming to the skills and experience required, 3 to 4 years of experience in growth function is required, and strong and analytical and quantitative skills are required, ability to analyze data and derive insights, and good understanding of digital marketing landscape and ability to work with multiple teams are required. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, Webmasters for SEO is looking for human resource interns. And coming to the job description, they are hiring for HR intern for unpaid internship. And coming to the job title, it is HR intern. And coming to the duration, 1 or 3 or 6 months. And coming to the education qualifications, it is MBA HR. And coming to the skills required, good interpersonal and communication skills and good at multitasking. And location will be work from home, and it is stipend is not applicable, and timings will be flexible working hours. And coming to the perks, they will offer offer letter and experience letter and letter of recommendation. And interested candidates can apply for this intern by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, Bond Group are hiring for the Java full stack developer. Coming to the primary skills, and the candidates should have hands-on experience of more than 2 years with React JS, Redux, TypeScript or Flow types, advanced JavaScript concepts to build scalable web applications, and extensive knowledge of Node.js, and total of 4 years plus experience using Java and Spring, and strong experience with Spring and Spring Boot, Spring MVC, Spring Data, and Spring Security, and experience building REST and SOAP web services using Java, and experience with web services JSON, REST, JAX RS, and Spring based REST services, and experience with Java and J2EE or Java EE, including servlets, JSP, JSF, and JDBC, and strong understanding of Java concurrency and concurrency patterns, experience building thread safe code, and Java, JE, Spring Boot or DBMS, Oracle, Postgres, and Envoy SQL DBs, and microservices are required. And these are the primary skills, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, MyHoga is a recruiting social media leader. Coming to the job responsibilities, they will include the successful candidate will also be required to collect and review social media data to develop more effective campaigns, and work closely with the marketing teams to develop social media campaigns that help to achieve corporate marketing goals. Cross-platform expertise in Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, like that, and ability to create and execute paid campaigns, and develop monthly reports on emerging social media trends that will be submitted to the management and executive teams, monitor the company's social media accounts and offer constructive interaction with users, create methods for finding and saving online customer reviews, and analyze the long-term needs of the company's social media strategy, and offer quarterly reports to the management and executive teams that outline any necessary changes to the digital marketing plans. And these are the key responsibilities for this job role. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, Ohana Academy is hiring Operations Associate Supply, and they will work closely with curriculum and customer success team to manage the day-to-day operations. And coming to the key responsibilities, the candidates own the charter on teacher management, including recruiting and onboarding teachers, managing daily teacher attendance and replacements, scheduling time with them to close feedback and ensure corrective steps are taken, coordinating with different verticals of the organization, track, maintain, and update all process SOPs, and ensure dashboards analytics for all the initiatives are in place. And coming to the qualifications, 2 years plus experience in EdTech sector, primarily in teacher recruitment is required, and strong analytical coordination and interpersonal skills with an eye for detail, and ability to understand and implement strong process and governance frameworks, keeping in mind both short-term and long-term objectives of the organization, and proficient in Microsoft is required. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, Zoventum is hiring for the account executive. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, the candidates should generate sales revenue by acquiring new strategic enterprise and SMB deals of the SMB deals for global markets, and build and manage your sales pipeline, achieve quarterly sales targets with weekly academics, and manage entire sales life cycle from discovery, qualification, proposal, and proof of concept, negotiation and close, and develop partner relationships with enterprises to expand the revenue potential, work closely with head of sales, RevOps and customer success to improve sales process and efficiencies, collaborate with the product and customer success teams to provide feedback on new feature development and improvements, maintain data discipline in CRM for your sales pipelines and prospects. These are the roles and responsibilities. Coming to the qualifications, 3 to 7 years of B2B sales experience in SaaS or technology industry as account executive is required, and experience in selling in international territories like US, UK, Europe, and ANZ, and a strong track record of success and overachieving targets. Bachelor's degree with MBA is preferred. Motivated self-starter with ability to hustle. Strong communication and interpersonal skills are required. And coming to the perks and benefits, people-centric culture, great places to work certified, and Saturdays and Sundays are off, and these are weekends. Enjoy your weekend with your family and friends, and flat hierarchy, your ideas and feedback are heard and acted upon like this, and work, and it is work from home and Bangalore, and working hours will be US time zone, and these are the perks and benefits. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, Architects is hiring for the marketing coordinator, private residences, and coming to the desired experience, 2 years of experience is required, or else freshers also can apply for this job role, and the goal will be full spectrum of marketing activities for architects private residences. And coming to the job responsibilities, responsible for preparing the weekly, monthly, and annual marketing report in coordination with the team, and responsible for managing the marketing budget by keeping track and updating the monthly expenses, and assisting in planning, developing, and implementing effective marketing communication campaigns, documentation of reports, payments, and invoices, printing of documents, official stationery and letterheads, and design of email marketing campaigns, ensuring its implementation with analysis, and assisting and planning of photo and video shoots by traveling to the project locations. And these are the key responsibilities. And to the requirements, bachelor's degree in marketing, business communications, or any related field is perfect, and a prior experience as a marketing coordinator or relevant role is required, and excellent presentation and communication skills required, being proactive with a positive attitude and an eye for design, knowledge or experience of working on Canva, Photoshop, or Illustrator is an added advantage. Knowledge of traditional and digital marketing methods are required, and these are the requirements, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, Growth School is hiring for the program manager. Coming to the job roles and responsibilities, design and manage the life cycle of Growth School programs, ensuring timely launches and a great student experience, maintaining cross-functional relationships and coordinating with operations, mentor supply, content marketing teams, and ensuring program efficiency, own an end-to-end program process and solve for the gaps in the system, and manage reporting and tracking of metrics, provide transparency and communication to key business and product stakeholders around program status and risks and change management. These are the roles and responsibilities. Coming to the key skills, 2 to 4 years of program management operations experience in edtech or e-commerce, excellent communication skills, retained collaboration and planning skills with attention to detail, and business intelligence around best practices and latest trends are required. These are the key skills, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.